Hi guys, Exedy Motorsport driver Garry Jacobson here. Here's the opportunity for you guys to get in behind the scenes to see what ProDrive get up to on their day-to-day basis. You'll be certainly surprised as you see the amount of people here that are involved in making the cars go fast, day in, day out. It's a real treasure to actually see the hard work and commitment being shown behind the scenes and seeing the way the cars get their results on track. Here behind me is one of the Ford 5-litre V8 cast iron block aluminium head engines that we have. This is one of 14 engines that we have at ProDrive Racing. 10 of them are allocated to the main game series cars, while 4 of them are allocated to myself and Josh Keane in the Super 2 Series Championship. It's got 645 brake horsepower and we rev limit them to 7,500 RPM. Here at ProDrive, we usually do at least 4,000 kilometres with these engines until we bring them back, service them, and get them ready to go again for another race. They're a really great engine and they're super competitive in the championship. Here we are at the Signwriting room. Each car has its own unique look as we go racing into each season. We have up to 50 rolls of vinyl to cover all the year's racing. Each roll is up to 50 metres, which means that we've got up to 2.5 kilometres of vinyl that we use each year here. It's very important for the younger generation drivers to have good relationships with the Signwriter. Thomas Gill, myself and Nick Moss Design go through many different liveries each time I race on the track. We had Exedy make their debut last year in the 2016 season at Homebush, where we finished the championship in first place. They came on the side of the car and it was a great look for us. Here in the Subassembly, we've got 3 full-time staff and 1 apprentice. We service everything from the flywheel back, front and rear brake calipers, front uprights, rear hubs, axles, tail shafts, clutches, gearboxes, all get stripped and serviced here after every race. It's very busy here with 6 full-time cars, but they do a extremely good job. Here we are here in the fabrication department. This is where the V8 Supercar chassis is born. Everything that's made out of chrome moly, aluminium or sheet metal is produced here. Radiators, exhausts, brackets, oil tankers, it's all produced in this area. The 2016 season was a very busy year for the fabrication department. With the introduction of myself and Jack LeBrock racing in the DVS series, they had to have spare chassis for all 6 drivers. Here we are in the machine room. Up to $3.5 million has been invested into these 5 CNC machines behind me. Here, we make up to 6,200 components each year, using a total of 6.5 tonnes of metal and aluminium to produce those components. It's truly astonishing. Here behind me is the current 2016 championship winning car, the Ford FGX. It's got 4 lap records at tracks like Homebush, Sandown, Phillip Island and Clipsal 500. Its strengths and characteristics are mainly based on the high-speed circuits. Anywhere with high 200km pace corners, this is the car that you want to be in. This is the car that I raced in the 2016 championship and won my first championship in. It's a very special car to me. I'm the only one that's raced it last year, and I'm very much enjoying my time in it.